Happy Monday, kids. In science this week, and happy Monday, kids. In science this week, we're going to be learning a little bit more about cells. So today, you will be doing an Ed puzzle. It's a Bill Nye video. So he talks really fast. If you think I talk fast, you haven't met Bill Nye yet. So Bill Nye talks really fast. So you're going to have to probably take some notes or rewind it and go back and listen again to get the answer correct. But do your best. And then on Tuesday, you're going to be with me. We're going to I'm going to teach you how to do cell drawings using a site called Cells Alive. And you're going to be drawing an animal cell and a plant cell this week. So please be prepared. Have papers and pencils and all that stuff. On Wednesday is synchronous again, and we are going to be taking notes on the difference between an animal and a plant cell. Thursday, you're going to finish your cell drawings of your animal and plant cells, and then on Friday, we're going to do a cell Nearpod together. So we're learning all about cells and how they're made up and the difference between animal and plant cells this week. Please make sure you keep your notes somewhere because we will be taking an assessment soon on cells.